Today, I'm gonna make carrot cakes. So before making carrot cakes, I'm gonna pick some carrots from my garden. Do you want to join? Okay, let's get together. Actually, they look so ugly. I found good tip to pick up carrot easily. How? Before harvesting, you could pour water in the ground a lot and pick them. You don't need to do any tools for them.
The other one. 와, 이거 봐, 역시. 왜 이렇게 못난이야, 다들? 응? So when we go to supermarket, we can see very pretty shaved carrots. But wait, why?
They're
Ours
grown.
are very.
They're grown
Okay.
hydroponically.
Ah.
It has no nutrients, and so they're fed hydroponically, and so they can grow
Wow.
really differently, really prettily.
야, 그거 진짜 페이크다. 이거 봐. 이거 진짜 긴데. 당근 풀이 진짜 긴데 이거 당근은 조그만한데. 조그만해. We'd better purchase this carrot in the supermarket. It might be much easy and convenient and much cheaper.
Okay, now shall we make carrot cake? First of all, we need 3 cups, 300 grams grated peeled carrots. And then 2 cups all-purpose flour, 250 grams. Let's add 2 tablespoons baking soda. Fine sea salt, 1½ teaspoons. Ground cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons. $400 grams sugar. Instead of sugar, we try to add sugar-free. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Mix them up. Three cup grated peeled carrot, 300 grams. Vegetable oil, 295 milliliter. Three eggs.
Oh, and into the cake too.
Mix them all together. We can make a dough finally. Shall we add the grated peas, carrots? I've already prepared for muffin and cake mold. I do like to spread some oil on the cake mold. To prevent the stuck bread, I'm gonna just put some paper foil on the mold. Let's set up the oven, 180 Celsius and 40 minutes. Let's fill the dough in the mold. Next is carrot cake time. We've already spread some cream on the carrot cakes, and then it's time to decorate with walnut.